Pratique inglês todos os dias, ouça, fale, pratique e melhore suas habilidades linguísticas com a gente. Quando terminar, continue praticando no nosso app. É grátis. Link na descrição. Hora de praticar.
Biology is the study of life. Biology is the study of life.
A biologia é o estudo da vida.
Biology is the study of life. Biology is the study of life. We learn about living things. We learn about living things.
Aprendemos sobre os seres vivos.
We learn about living things. We learn about living things. A cell is the basic unit. A cell is the basic unit.
Uma célula é a unidade básica.
A cell is the basic unit. A cell is the basic unit. Cells make up all organisms. Cells make up all organisms.
As células compõem todos os organismos.
Cells make up all organisms. Cells make up all organisms. Plants and animals are organisms. Plants and animals are organisms.
Plantas e animais são organismos.
Plants and animals are organisms. Plants and animals are organisms. We observe how life works. We observe how life works.
Observamos como a vida funciona.
We observe how life works. We observe how life works. Biology explains how bodies function. Biology explains how bodies function.
A biologia explica como os corpos funcionam.
Biology explains how bodies function. Biology explains how bodies function. I like learning about nature. I like learning about nature.
Eu gosto de aprender sobre a natureza.
I like learning about nature. I like learning about nature. What is a cell? What is a cell?
O que é uma célula?
What is a cell? What is a cell? What do cells do? What do cells do?
O que as células fazem?
What do cells do? What do cells do? Cells have different parts. Cells have different parts.
As células têm partes diferentes.
Cells have different parts. Cells have different parts. The nucleus controls the cell. The nucleus controls the cell.
O núcleo controla a célula.
The nucleus controls the cell. The nucleus controls the cell. The membrane protects the cell. The membrane protects the cell.
A membrana protege a célula.
The membrane protects the cell. The membrane protects the cell. Mitochondria make energy for cells. Mitochondria make energy for cells.
As mitocôndrias produzem energia para as células.
Mitochondria make energy for cells. Mitochondria make energy for cells. Chloroplasts help plants make food. Chloroplasts help plants make food.
Os cloroplastos ajudam as plantas a produzir alimento.
Chloroplasts help plants make food. Chloroplasts help plants make food. Plants use photosynthesis to make food. Plants use photosynthesis to make food.
As plantas usam a fotossíntese para produzir alimento.
Plants use photosynthesis to make food. Plants use photosynthesis to make food. Photosynthesis needs light, water, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis needs light, water, and carbon dioxide.
A fotossíntese precisa de luz, água e dióxido de carbono.
Photosynthesis needs light, water, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis needs light, water, and carbon dioxide. Leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis.
As folhas capturam a luz do sol para a fotossíntese.
Leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Roots absorb water and minerals. Roots absorb water and minerals.
As raízes absorvem água e minerais.
Roots absorb water and minerals. Roots absorb water and minerals. Stems support the plant. Stems support the plant.
Os caules sustentam a planta.
Stems support the plant. Stems support the plant. Flowers help plants reproduce. Flowers help plants reproduce.
As flores ajudam as plantas a se reproduzir.
Flowers help plants reproduce. Flowers help plants reproduce. Seeds grow into new plants. Seeds grow into new plants.
As sementes crescem e se tornam novas plantas.
Seeds grow into new plants. Seeds grow into new plants. Animals need food and water. Animals need food and water.
Os animais precisam de alimento e água.
Animals need food and water. Animals need food and water. Humans are animals too. Humans are animals too.
Os seres humanos também são animais.
Humans are animals too. Humans are animals too. The heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood.
O coração bombeia sangue.
The heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood. The lungs help us breathe. The lungs help us breathe.
Os pulmões nos ajudam a respirar.
The lungs help us breathe. The lungs help us breathe. The brain controls the body. The brain controls the body.
O cérebro controla o corpo.
The brain controls the body. The brain controls the body. The stomach helps digest food. The stomach helps digest food.
O estômago ajuda a digerir os alimentos.
The stomach helps digest food. The stomach helps digest food. The skin protects the body. The skin protects the body.
A pele protege o corpo.
The skin protects the body. The skin protects the body. Bones support the body. Bones support the body.
Os ossos sustentam o corpo.
Bones support the body. Bones support the body. Muscles help us move. Muscles help us move.
Os músculos nos ajudam a nos mover.
Muscles help us move. Muscles help us move. Blood carries oxygen. Blood carries oxygen.
O sangue transporta oxigênio.
Blood carries oxygen. Blood carries oxygen. Red blood cells carry oxygen. Red blood cells carry oxygen.
Os glóbulos vermelhos transportam oxigênio.
Red blood cells carry oxygen. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight germs. White blood cells fight germs.
Os glóbulos brancos combatem germes.
White blood cells fight germs. White blood cells fight germs. Bacteria are tiny living things. Bacteria are tiny living things.
As bactérias são seres vivos minúsculos.
Bacteria are tiny living things. Bacteria are tiny living things. Some bacteria are helpful. Some bacteria are helpful.
Algumas bactérias são úteis.
Some bacteria are helpful. Some bacteria are helpful. Some bacteria can cause disease. Some bacteria can cause disease.
Algumas bactérias podem causar doenças.
Some bacteria can cause disease. Some bacteria can cause disease. Viruses can make us sick. Viruses can make us sick.
Os vírus podem nos deixar doentes.
Viruses can make us sick. Viruses can make us sick. Fungi decompose dead matter. Fungi decompose dead matter.
Os fungos decompõem a matéria morta.
Fungi decompose dead matter. Fungi decompose dead matter. Ecology studies living things and their environment. Ecology studies living things and their environment.
A ecologia estuda os seres vivos e seu ambiente.
Ecology studies living things and their environment. Ecology studies living things and their environment. An ecosystem includes living and non-living things. An ecosystem includes living and non-living things.
Ecossistema inclui coisas vivas e não vivas.
An ecosystem includes living and non-living things. An ecosystem includes living and non-living things. A habitat is where an organism lives. A habitat is where an organism lives.
Habitat é onde organismo vive.
A habitat is where an organism lives. A habitat is where an organism lives. A species is a group of similar organisms. A species is a group of similar organisms.
Uma espécie é grupo de organismos semelhantes.
A species is a group of similar organisms. A species is a group of similar organisms. A population is the number of one species. A population is the number of one species.
Uma população é o número de indivíduos de uma espécie.
A population is the number of one species. A population is the number of one species. A community includes many species together. A community includes many species together.
Uma comunidade inclui muitas espécies juntas.
A community includes many species together. A community includes many species together. A food chain shows who eats whom. A food chain shows who eats whom.
Uma cadeia alimentar mostra quem come quem.
A food chain shows who eats whom. A food chain shows who eats whom. Producers make their own food. Producers make their own food.
Os produtores produzem seu próprio alimento.
Producers make their own food. Producers make their own food. Consumers eat other organisms. Consumers eat other organisms.
Os consumidores comem outros organismos.
Consumers eat other organisms. Consumers eat other organisms. Decomposers break down dead organisms. Decomposers break down dead organisms.
Os decompositores decompõem organismos mortos.
Decomposers break down dead organisms. Decomposers break down dead organisms. Energy flows through an ecosystem. Energy flows through an ecosystem.
A energia flui através de ecossistema.
Energy flows through an ecosystem. Energy flows through an ecosystem. Water cycles through the environment. Water cycles through the environment.
A água circula pelo ambiente.
Water cycles through the environment. Water cycles through the environment. The carbon cycle moves carbon around. The carbon cycle moves carbon around.
O ciclo do carbono faz o carbono circular.
The carbon cycle moves carbon around. The carbon cycle moves carbon around. Adaptations help organisms survive. Adaptations help organisms survive.
As adaptações ajudam os organismos a sobreviver.
Adaptations help organisms survive. Adaptations help organisms survive. Evolution is change over time. Evolution is change over time.
A evolução é a mudança ao longo do tempo.
Evolution is change over time. Evolution is change over time. Natural selection favors useful traits. Natural selection favors useful traits.
A seleção natural favorece características úteis.
Natural selection favors useful traits. Natural selection favors useful traits. Traits can be inherited. Traits can be inherited.
As características podem ser herdadas.
Traits can be inherited. Traits can be inherited. Genes carry information for traits. Genes carry information for traits.
Os genes contêm as informações para as características.
Genes carry information for traits. Genes carry information for traits. DNA is the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material.
O DNA é o material genético.
DNA is the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material. Chromosomes hold many genes. Chromosomes hold many genes.
Os cromossomos contêm muitos genes.
Chromosomes hold many genes. Chromosomes hold many genes. Offspring inherit traits from parents. Offspring inherit traits from parents.
Os descendentes herdam características dos pais.
Offspring inherit traits from parents. Offspring inherit traits from parents. Dominant traits can hide recessive traits. Dominant traits can hide recessive traits.
Características dominantes podem mascarar características recessivas.
Dominant traits can hide recessive traits. Dominant traits can hide recessive traits. A genotype is genetic makeup. A genotype is genetic makeup.
Genótipo é a constituição genética.
A genotype is genetic makeup. A genotype is genetic makeup. A phenotype is what we see. A phenotype is what we see.
Fenótipo é aquilo que vemos.
A phenotype is what we see. A phenotype is what we see. Mutations can change genes. Mutations can change genes.
As mutações podem alterar os genes.
Mutations can change genes. Mutations can change genes. Proteins do many jobs in cells. Proteins do many jobs in cells.
As proteínas desempenham muitas funções nas células.
Proteins do many jobs in cells. Proteins do many jobs in cells. Enzymes speed up reactions. Enzymes speed up reactions.
As enzimas aceleram as reações.
Enzymes speed up reactions. Enzymes speed up reactions. The cell cycle describes cell growth. The cell cycle describes cell growth.
O ciclo celular descreve o crescimento celular.
The cell cycle describes cell growth. The cell cycle describes cell growth. Mitosis helps cells divide. Mitosis helps cells divide.
A mitose ajuda as células a se dividir.
Mitosis helps cells divide. Mitosis helps cells divide. Meiosis makes sex cells. Meiosis makes sex cells.
A meiose produz células sexuais.
Meiosis makes sex cells. Meiosis makes sex cells. Fertilization joins egg and sperm. Fertilization joins egg and sperm.
A fecundação une o óvulo e o espermatozoide.
Fertilization joins egg and sperm. Fertilization joins egg and sperm. An embryo grows into a baby. An embryo grows into a baby.
Embrião cresce e se torna bebê.
An embryo grows into a baby. An embryo grows into a baby. Hormones send signals in the body. Hormones send signals in the body.
Os hormônios enviam sinais no corpo.
Hormones send signals in the body. Hormones send signals in the body. The nervous system sends messages. The nervous system sends messages.
O sistema nervoso envia mensagens.
The nervous system sends messages. The nervous system sends messages. The immune system fights disease. The immune system fights disease.
O sistema imunológico combate doenças.
The immune system fights disease. The immune system fights disease. The respiratory system brings in oxygen. The respiratory system brings in oxygen.
O sistema respiratório traz oxigênio para dentro do corpo.
The respiratory system brings in oxygen. The respiratory system brings in oxygen. The circulatory system moves blood. The circulatory system moves blood.
O sistema circulatório movimenta o sangue.
The circulatory system moves blood. The circulatory system moves blood. The digestive system breaks down food. The digestive system breaks down food.
O sistema digestivo decompõe os alimentos.
The digestive system breaks down food. The digestive system breaks down food. The excretory system removes waste. The excretory system removes waste.
O sistema excretor remove os resíduos.
The excretory system removes waste. The excretory system removes waste. The endocrine system controls hormones. The endocrine system controls hormones.
O sistema endócrino controla os hormônios.
The endocrine system controls hormones. The endocrine system controls hormones. The reproductive system makes offspring. The reproductive system makes offspring.
O sistema reprodutor produz descendentes.
The reproductive system makes offspring. The reproductive system makes offspring. Classification organizes living things. Classification organizes living things.
A classificação organiza os seres vivos.
Classification organizes living things. Classification organizes living things. Kingdoms group large types of life. Kingdoms group large types of life.
Os reinos agrupam grandes tipos de vida.
Kingdoms group large types of life. Kingdoms group large types of life. Species names use two words. Species names use two words.
Os nomes das espécies usam duas palavras.
Species names use two words. Species names use two words. Scientists use Latin names. Scientists use Latin names.
Os cientistas usam nomes em latim.
Scientists use Latin names. Scientists use Latin names. A microscope helps us see tiny things. A microscope helps us see tiny things.
Microscópio nos ajuda a ver coisas minúsculas.
A microscope helps us see tiny things. A microscope helps us see tiny things. We prepare a slide for the microscope. We prepare a slide for the microscope.
Preparamos uma lâmina para o microscópio.
We prepare a slide for the microscope. We prepare a slide for the microscope. We focus the lens carefully. We focus the lens carefully.
Ajustamos o foco da lente com cuidado.
We focus the lens carefully. We focus the lens carefully. Please adjust the light. Please adjust the light.
Por favor, ajuste a luz.
Please adjust the light. Please adjust the light. I can see the cell wall. I can see the cell wall.
Eu consigo ver a parede celular.
I can see the cell wall. I can see the cell wall. I can see the nucleus. I can see the nucleus.
Eu consigo ver o núcleo.
I can see the nucleus. I can see the nucleus. We observe the sample closely. We observe the sample closely.
Observamos a amostra de perto.
We observe the sample closely. We observe the sample closely. We write notes about what we see. We write notes about what we see.
Fazemos anotações sobre o que vemos.
We write notes about what we see. We write notes about what we see.
Obrigado por assistir. Inscreva-se no canal e ative as notificações para receber novos vídeos e continuar sua jornada no inglês.